Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to control who can see your followers on your Facebook Lite timeline. This is an important privacy feature that helps you manage who can view your social connections. Let's begin the steps. First, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then scroll down until you find the option called Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to open more options. After that, select Settings. Next, locate the Followers and Public Content option and tap on it. Then you will see the setting labeled Who can see your followers on your timeline. Click on this option to open the choices. Now, you can choose between Public, Friends, or Only Me. Select the option that fits your privacy preference. Finally, make sure to click on the Save button to apply your changes. Thank you for watching this video.